Well, hello out there in video land. Good to see y'all. And I got a quick one here on how to clean your headlights if they're really fogged over. And this does a fantastic job in about 15 or 20 minutes, if that. So stick around, I'll show you what's going on. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed that. It's really simple, man. It's so fast and easy. It's a shame. And it works really well. That Blue Magic does a fantastic job of it and protects it for a while too. So it helps, it puts film on there and keeps it there. You just don't want to push real hard on the drill while you're doing it. You don't want to dig into it. You just want to let it continually glide over the surface and polishes the plastic right up till it'll look like it's brand new. So, all right, I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you on the next one. Until then, y'all take care out there. Later.
I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.